How to find someone on Instagram by phone number. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, log into your account. Then you'll find three lines on top right corner of your screen. If you go to profile, click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. In here, click on account center. You'll find this kind of screen pop up in account center. In here, click on your information and permission. Click on upload contacts. Turn connect contacts. After you click on connect contacts, you will simply find suggestion which is suggested for you on your Instagram by your contact. And this is how to find someone on Instagram by phone number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.